Have you ever struggled with gaining weight and building muscle? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the 5 foods that can help you quickly gain weight and muscle. But first, let's address a critical question. Why is it so important to understand the role of nutrition in achieving your fitness goals? Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Gain Goals. Today, we're on a mission to educate and empower you with the knowledge you need to make incredible progress on your fitness journey. As we all know, nutrition is a cornerstone of success, so let's get right into it. Before we reveal the 5 foods that can help you pack on those pounds and build muscle, let's understand why nutrition matters. You see, your body is like a high-performance sports car, and food is the fuel. If you want to rev up your metabolism and enhance muscle growth, you need the right fuel. So, what are these power-packed foods, you ask? Let's dive in. Our first food, avocados, are a great source of healthy fats, which provide long-lasting energy for your workouts. They're also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support muscle growth and overall health. Next up, salmon. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Omega-3s reduce muscle inflammation and promote muscle growth, making salmon a must-have in your muscle-building arsenal. Now let's talk about quinoa. This whole grain is a complete protein source, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. It's also packed with complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Greek yogurt is another game changer. It's loaded with protein, probiotics for gut health, and calcium for muscle contractions. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and delicious. Last but not least, sweet potatoes. These carb-rich delights are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them perfect for post-workout recovery. They're the ideal complex carb to replenish glycogen stores and fuel muscle growth. There you have it, the top 5 foods to help you quickly gain weight and muscle. Remember, it's not just about lifting weights, it's about what you put on your plate that counts. With that said, thanks for watching, and see you next time.